Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely beautiful Focus Diesel ST line in a fantastic, it's like Focus blue, RS blue colour. It is absolutely lovely colour. You don't see them like this in an ST. It's got the upgraded wheels, privacy glass to the rear. Full ST line body styling, rear spoiler. Boot area's in lovely condition. Parcel shelves all there. The S-type T-line interior with the red stitch piping. Electric windows, mirrors. Seats just, car does not look like the age or mileage. It's done 104, 010 miles. Starts on the button. It's got a augs there, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, cup holders. But just look at the condition, there's just no wear on it. We passed for 40,000 miles. Got the multifunction steering wheel. It's also got the full menu. Centre armrest here, all in lovely condition. Again, no wear. Down the door strips are lovely and clean. It's got satellite navigation. Let's go to the home menu. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. Radio definitely works. Media pack with DAB. So again, factory navigation. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.